Assalamu alaikum. Today's lesson is specially designed for foreigners who want to learn Urdu. Greetings. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Don't say hello in return. You can say wa alaikum assalam. Thank you. Shukriya. You say please in English, but in Urdu you can say meherbani. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? Then in reply you will say मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? You will not say my name is George. You will say in Urdu मेरा नाम जॉर्ज है. Now daily life sentences. I need help. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I didn't understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Please repeat. दोबारा बोलिए. Speak slowly. आहिस्ता बोलिए. What is this? ये क्या है? You say okay, okay. In Urdu, ठीक है is no problem. कोई बात नहीं. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Goodbye.